Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I woke up with this bird down there where the poo-poo is trying to get some food. I'm gonna get her out and try playing with her. She hates me completely. She only loves me when I play with her. Look, I put this here. She comes instantly so she could bite it. Let me just twist this. Every time I get the house turning, she's like, I gotta stay in place. Okay, here, let's get the bird out. I put my phone in there, so if it's looking down at the poo-poo, sorry. There's her tail. Okay, this is my bird. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Please say hello. Please say hello. Why are you so sad? Why are you so sad? Okay, can't go to mama yet. Okay? Okay? Okay, I think that's okay. This bird is so cute. What? I can't show you my sister. Oh, no. What? What?
الريموت هنا ودخلها تقدر التلفزيون ولا
No.
راح اصعد فوق عادي.
Okay, go upstairs. Oh my god! She almost bit me. She almost bit the camera. Look, if I put it all the way here, oh my god, you see her bite. I'm gonna put the camera here and look, she just tried to bite it. Oh my god, she hates the phone. Do you hate the phone? That's the only thing of transportation. Okay, so pets don't want to do it. Oh, and she climbed, look. You know you can get in whenever you want, right? Oh my god, you look so beautiful. Oh yeah, and there's cats out here. You can fly wherever you want, I don't really care. This is my bird. Yeah, I already said this is my bird. Her name is Lulu. Yeah, I'm just gonna let her fly around. I don't like when she climbs up me, like with my skin. What are you doing? Oh yeah, and she's scared of my go-kart. Today, I'm gonna record and putting it to the test. I already tested it, and I don't know how fast it goes. There's cats over here. This is the black cat. So it's sleeping now, it's run away. And then there's the other cat that just stepped on her. She's just staring at me. Every time we open the door, she just comes out. Oh yeah, and sometimes the mom is here, and sometimes there's more cats. We put milk, and only 2 cats came in. This cat's just looking at me like, oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna charge this thing. Flip. I'm gonna charge. No. You do not get to bite it. Good girl. This is how I turn it on. This button right here. I have to hold it, and then it instantly goes to drive. You put your leg on here, but I don't want to show you it. When I go outside, I want to take my phone with me and then record. Look. Oh yeah, it has a top speed limit, and the boy said his scooter goes 10 miles per hour. I told him this goes 7, and he said no, because it goes more down. This is the hoverboard connected to this. Like, why are you lying? Why are you lying? Why the hell are you lying? Oh yeah, she's scared of it very much. Every time I try getting her out, but she never gets out, I just start riding it around, and then she's like, like that. Oh yeah, and I just showed you my face. Yay! Now I don't have to face reveal. Hi, dude. Hi, dude. I'm gonna charge it. The charger is like a normal hoverboard charger. Here. Let me show you. The normal hoverboard charger, look. Focus. Focus. Okay, never mind. We're just gonna put it to charging mode. And it's gonna turn red. Look, it just put red, it was green. Oh yeah, and the charging is very full. And if we put it, come down here. No, come down here. Down here. Good girl. No, good. Good girl. Yeah, you saw her butt. You saw her butt. No, no, no. I'm gonna put you here one last time. And the door's open. Up there or down there? He's like, oh, I'd rather just stay down here. Oh yeah, follow me on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. Cause I did some funny content on her. I was putting my hand there, like right here. Cause she hates me so much. I put it down. I thought she wasn't gonna move. She ran into me, bit it. Not that hard. Like it was like kiss bite. Okay. It was a kiss bite, and then like I was like ah, and then I stopped recording because I was pushed to record. So I was recording her like and she just came like I was like this, and then I was like this, and then she was like oh yeah, I'm gonna record her like this, upside down. She hates the phone so much. You wanna see her? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. She's like, get away from me. Like she's like, get away from me, boy. Get away from me. Get away. Get away from me. But, oh yeah, this is a girl. That's why we named her Lulu. Let's go back inside. Good girl. There we go. Good girl. She goes back inside. I was like trying to put her in there. Okay. Bye, guys.